What's up guys, Kyle Milan here with another episode of Manufacturing Tribe TV. Today we're at ProMed Molded Products.
It's not just one giant factory.
It's dynamic, so things change each and every day.
It's basically like we have a secret sauce. I wanted something more hands-on.
It changed my thought on what manufacturing was, and I knew that this is what I wanted to do.